Yeah, in this video, we're talking about extracting string from extracting a string in JavaScript. Okay, so first of all, start by creating my HTML. Then inside my HTML, I will now add script because I'll be using external external JavaScript file, which is I'm writing it inside my external JavaScript. So the next thing I will not add uh, use hash1, then give it an ID. This is where my output will be displayed. Okay, let me say hash1. You can give it anything you want. Then coming inside our header one, let's create a variable. First of all, let me create a document that's get element by ID. This is where this is what we learn connect with header one to connect with the header one through the ID, and then render this thing to the browser. So I'll now say document dot get elements by ID, then open the parameter and put double quotes, and then the name of the um, ID of the element, then dot inner HTML. Okay, so let me push it down. Okay, so let me create my variable. Let me say var string. Let me use this string. Then let me set it equal to a variable string values. Let me say something like hello everyone. Everyone, I think is okay. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So let me say welcome to my page. Okay, so what I want to do now, I will now come here now, and okay, I think I will still, because I'll add the method, so I'll create another variable. I will say var output. So this is the one that this is where we apply the method for extracting the method that will extract the string. So the next thing that I will do now is I will set it equal to the variable string. It's this string variable here. The string dot. Then I will now call what the first method for extracting a string. There's what we call slice. Let me use slice. Then inside this slice now, you open a parameter. Inside this parameter, then let me set this in my inner HTML. So whatever we're doing, we've seen it in the browser. Let me set it equal to output. That's what it's supposed to be. Output. Okay. So what I will not do now, if I say something like let me do something. Let me say from 0, then 0, comma, and then put let me say 4. Okay, let me refresh my browser. You can see now, you can see it start from 1. This is 0 index 0 0 1 2 3. Okay, uh and then 4. No, this is 0 and 4, 0 to 4, supposed to be 0 1 2 3 4. It's supposed to include 5. Let me see what happens. Okay, I think it's going for 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So what this actually means is that I can actually target a particular thing inside a particular this from a, you can just target a what is it called, you can target a starting point and end point, and it will just slice it out from the main string. It does not alter the main string, it just creates a new string out of the string that's is slicing it out from. Okay, it will not just come here and alter anything, it will just come here and select, cut out that thing that you want, and then print it out for you. Okay, it does not modify this your main string variable. Let me say something. Let me say I want to grab. Let me say something like so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Let me say I want to graph from 0 to 13. I will say 0 comma and then say 13. Okay, you see hello everyone. Let me make it 14 so it will complete. So what you can see what it does, it follows this index. Okay, you can see now it just slides out hello everyone. What if I want to slice out only welcome from this variable? So that should be 0, that should be 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So 23 and 15. Let me say 15 15 and then 23. Okay, it will just rise out welcome. You can see that. Okay, it uses the index to slice out any index that you put here. This the first one is starting and the last one is ending. So another one you can do, you can also do minus. If you put minus, it will start counting from back. Let me say minus 1, and then let me give it you can see if you put this minus 1 now is this last letter in this string, then it will count. If you do use minus, it will start from back of the page, from this back to count to be coming up. So let me say 1 2 3 4. Let me just grab page. Let me say minus 4. Say minus 4. uh, uh what I think is supposed to be let me say 4. No, it was not supposed to be minus to minus. Let me say what am I going to do? Let me just do it this way now. Instead of minus is giving me e, then that means that I think the bigger value is supposed to be flown, then the smaller value will end it. So let me say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me say to page. Let me say just I'm seeing 9 here, minus 9. Okay, this minus, then I'll now say to minus 1. Okay, so if I make it to let me say to 0, no, it must be a negative number. Let me say minus 2 to remove page, then minus 1, then I will now come here and now say minus 10. Okay, to keep on coming up. The more this one is keep on coming up, this is minus, to start counting from the back of the page and be coming up. Okay, so that is it for slice method. Then another method you have is a substring. Just normal substring. It's almost the same thing with slice. It does almost the same thing. Let me put it. It's called substring. Substring. Yeah, I think that is this one. Substring does the same thing, but the only problem is that it does not accept these negative values. So I can say I can replace this thing now. Let me remove the negative value. Let me say from 0 to, let me say 10. It does the same thing with the other one. You can see that it does the same thing. How about 12, 13, 14? You can see how it just slides this hello everyone out from the main string. That's what this substring does. So I can actually say from, let me say from 15, let me count 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. Let me say from 15 to 22. Let me see what happens from 15 comma 22. To just slice out welcome. Yeah, I can see that. So this is how to slice out a string. Okay, the method tries out a string from the string values. There's another one called sub str, still the same thing. Okay, I think this one is still about the same thing, but I'm sure that this one, let me see, let me say 0 comma, let me say 13. Yeah, still this one is still the same thing. That's almost the same thing. Okay, Okay, so that is it. Okay, so that this, let me come first, that this okay, okay, about um okay, so another thing I want to talk about is this additional method. If you have this, let me say you have let me say substring, let me put that substring back. So if you have substring here and you put only one value, what it will do, let me just put something like 4 here. What it will do, it will count from 1 0 1 2 3, which is 4 1 2 3 4 to this hell, and then from the kind of, it will omit this hell here and then display from 0. It will just hold this, let me highlight, to just hold this hell. Let me just make it 5, so it will disappear hello. Okay, if you give it only one parameter, it will just omit the whole index of that hello. Okay, and then display the list. That's what it will do. Okay, I think having said this, I think I've come to the end, and I think I've made some, I mean, I think I've summarized this. Okay, think, let me put what if I put minus? I think minus will work. Minus 50 to still do the same thing. Let me check about my negative. How about -1? I think this one, it does not accept a negative, but I think slice will accept a negative. Use slice and see what's happened. Slice and then put a negative value. Let me put say -1. Okay. How about minus is just it's just print out the minus. Okay, so this one is just is on, that's a substring. That substring is one that you can use. So if you put only one parameter, precisely it will omit the rest. Okay, so having said this, I think I've come to the end of the video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.